have a remote. Go here, put new chart, put remote, create a Plant Identifier iOS application, use Swift UI MVVM. As soon as the application loads, the user should be given the option to upload an image of a plant, and the application should show the name and other important information on the screen. As for identifying the plant, you can use the Google Gemini API, create a service to access to Google Gemini API. Okay, so it will generate the instruction on the left side, and the artifacts will go to the right side. So it's still generating. We'll go to the Google Gemini API. Trace is over here, and so you need an API key. Click on Create API Key, and it will generate API key for you. So you can test it using the code, and just replace your API key here. So let's see how it finished. So the instruction over here. This code provides a basic instruction for the Plant Identifier app using Swift UI and MVVM architecture. Here's a breakdown of the components: model, view model, views, and services, and instruction for use Gemini service in your application. So you need the API key, upload the content, pass the API key. So the basic instruction is set up your projects in Xcode and add necessary files. Obtain an API key from Google Cloud Console for the Gemini API. Handle proper error message. Add more features. So let's start it with create a project in Xcode. Create a new project, iOS application. Click on Next. We call it Plant Identifier App. And the interface, we use Swift UI. Yes, we don't use Storyboard, we use Swift UI. Language, select Swift. Thus you select Swift UI and default to Swift. And click on Next. It's in this folder, Create. Okay. And so we got the application. And back to this. So we copy this, copy all of them. Copy and go to Xcode. Let's just paste everything in. Okay, so you can see in the canvas we got this is how the look of the application, and the view model is here. Basically it has the observable object, so it's a broadcast uh, pattern, and this view model has a function of identify plant, and which calls to the Gemini service. This is a content view, and this is the canvas for the content view. And basically this is the title, and so this is the title, and this is the navigation title, and here is a button. The button will just call to the image picker in a sheet. This image picker will pick up image, and when the image is picked, it will call Gemini service, and the will say implement the actual API call to Gemini, Google Gemini, and so basically this is how the application. Let's have a look, see it runs in the simulator. So it's still running. So let's click on upload plant image. Click on this, and it says name mark plant description. This is a mark plant description. So let's stop it. So right now the Gemini service is used uh, marked uh, marked function. So let's say go back to Claude, and we say implement the actual API call to Google Gemini, and use use Gemini 1.5 Flash, So it generated call the real Google Gemini API service. And so go back to Xcode. You can create a new group. No, no, no. You go to the create a new group called SERVS services, and this is the Gemini service. Let's just go here and new file, save file, next Gemini service, create. We got Gemini service, and we don't need this. We copy this, copy contents, go to Gemini service, and put it there. Okay, this is the real Gemini application, Gemini code, and we have the error. Say first we need to provide like API key type of string, and this is we have API key. We just copy this and put it here. All right, and we have the API key, and they need consistent space. Space, see, need equal space for the variable. And cannot find type or got error. This is cannot find type UI image. Import UI kit, and we have error. Besides, basically, this is network call URL request URL session, and data returns like this is when return the data needed to just pass the data, and the error is, let's say, copy this error, cannot find JSON in scope, go to let's say error of cannot find JSON scope in C. Because JSON is not accessible. Says okay. So let's see if it fixed. Just Okay, and paste. Okay, so the error gone. Let's see, run application. Oh, okay. Because we still need a API key. Okay. No, so it's yes. API key is over here. Okay, let's run. Oh no. Oh no. So don't need init. So let's start application. Here we go and upload the image of a plant. This identify name lemon tree and the description a small evergreen tree with fried and this is the description, this is the name. So basically it works.